Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. In today's Hotspot Shield VPN review, we'll explore the user experience and determine who benefits most from this popular online privacy and security tool. Find product links in the description below. Let's delve into its features, performance, and ideal user profile. Hotspot Shield has built a reputation for speed and security. Utilizing its proprietary Catapult Hydra protocol, it delivers impressive connection speeds without compromising encryption strength. This is a significant advantage for users who prioritize smooth streaming, lag-free gaming, or uninterrupted browsing. With access to servers in over 80 countries, Hotspot Shield excels at bypassing geographical restrictions on streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. The premium plan's unlimited bandwidth further solidifies its value for users with high data demands. Security-wise, Hotspot Shield employs AES 256-bit encryption, the industry's leading standard, and adheres to a strict no-logs policy. This commitment to privacy means your online activities and connection details remain private and unrecorded. A kill switch feature adds another layer of protection, safeguarding your data in case of an unexpected connection drop. Hotspot Shield is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a VPN that balances user-friendliness with robust security and rapid performance. Designed for both novice and experienced users, it offers dedicated apps for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, ensuring seamless cross-platform compatibility. The intuitive interface features a quick connect option, allowing even VPN newcomers to get started quickly. More seasoned users will appreciate advanced features like split tunneling and the ability to select specific server locations. Whether your goal is to safeguard your online activity, access geo-restricted content, or secure public Wi-Fi connections, Hotspot Shield shines with its combination of speed, security, and ease of use. It presents a compelling option for anyone in need of a dependable VPN solution. For more details, explore the links in the description. Thanks for watching.